archiving an existing class. After you've logged into STEMSIMS, select the Classes tab from the top menu. Make sure the class you want to archive is the active class. If the desired class is not the active class, select the class from the classes list. Select the Settings tab from the left menu. The Class Information screen appears. Please note, the Archive function makes the class data read-only and stops students from being able to log in and access content for this class. To archive a class, select the Archive Class button from the right side of the screen. A pop-up appears. Select the red Archive Class button. Choose the Close button on the top right of the pop-up to close that window.